This is the Theron guard from the first wave of Gears of War figures. And again, I'll just quickly run through. Fantastic detail in these guys. In NECA we're going through a period for a while where these figures, in my opinion, were very collectible. The detailing on them, considering that these guys were ripped from a video game, it's impressive stuff. Great sculpting, as always. These were sort of like the earlier figures back in the day, of course. This would have been around about the same time as the first game out, 2006. So you can tell with the articulation there's not an awful lot going on with this guy. But you don't need articulation when he looks so fucking menacing already. So let's see again, guys. This is the Theron guard from Gears of War. Turn to the side. There was a second version of this, the Theron Sentinel, which basically came with like a helmet. Detail, I mean, every little streak of detail is just incredible. Sculpting, it's a work of art. You know, the detail in his arms, you see the tricep just poking out from under the strap on the armour. At the back of him, he's got those big neck plates. And this sort of leathery cloth, which is a separate piece, also very detailed. And there's boots that the Gears characters were known for, those big heavy clumsy boots. I didn't manage to get all of these figures when they came out. I'm still hunting them down now, and this was just one of the guys that was recently added not too long ago. The detail in the arms. Awesome figure. Really cool. I have both of these versions still sealed, as you guys probably would have seen in a older video. This is the one that came without the box. That bicep popping there. Those veins and claws. So there you have it. Theron guard.